In this video I will give you a complete review about Flat Belly Fix program. If you want to learn more about this program, then check the link in the description. So, let's get started. If you have stubborn belly fat that you desperately want to shed, you could do so within just a few weeks. The fact is that you don't need to starve yourself or work out for hours on end every day. There are a lot of different fitness programs for losing belly fat, but the Flat Belly Fix is among the very best. How the Flat Belly Fix works. The Flat Belly Fix is a multifaceted program for losing belly fat in only 21 days. This guide will provide you with detailed instructions for workouts that increase muscle mass while reduce fat quickly. It also focuses on nutrition, helping you to develop better eating habits that are conducive to maintaining a healthy weight. It is based on science and proven methods for weight loss that you can count on to help you get noticeable results faster than you thought possible. Features. Those who order the Flat Belly Fix program will receive 1. The 21-day system. 2. 7-minute flat belly protocol. 3. Smoothie recipe guide. These materials have all the information necessary for shedding excess weight in a matter of weeks. The 7-minute flat belly protocol details certain exercises that almost anyone can do at home. These workouts are designed for shedding excess belly fat, and they only take a matter of minutes to do. The exercises are designed to be intense but not long, so they are extremely efficient. The 21-day system is the heart of this program, and it consists of nutritional and anatomical information to help with losing weight effectively. There is one chapter in this guide that explains the advantages for men and women individually. The more knowledge you have, the easier it will be to reach your fitness goals. The Smoothie recipe guide will provide you with a number of recipes for delicious, fat-busting smoothies. Each of the ingredients in these recipes has been shown through scientific research to aid in weight loss in one way or another. You can sometimes use these smoothies as substitutes for meals, especially in the morning. These smoothies are designed to simultaneously help you lose weight and promote muscle building. There is also the VIP online coaching, which will provide you with access to a weight loss coaching group. You will have free access to this group for the first 30 days, but after that it costs $29 per month for a total of 3 months. Once the 3 months are up, it is free forever. Benefits of the Flat Belly Fix. There are many benefits that you will enjoy when following this program, including 1. Natural weight loss. This program offers a totally natural way to eliminate your belly fat without any adverse side effects. 2. It's not time-consuming. The exercises that are detailed in this guide only take a few minutes each, so you will almost certainly have time to do them each day. This guide focuses on the intensity of the exercises instead of the duration. 3. Save money. There are plenty of expensive weight loss programs online, but this isn't one of them. It is definitely worth the money. 4. Maintain your weight. The information that you will get with this program will help you maintain a healthy weight for the rest of your life. 5. Detailed nutritional information. You will also get detailed information on proper nutrition, making it easier to change your diet for the better. 6. Money-back guarantee. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee that you can take advantage of if you decide this program isn't right for you. 7. Fast results. You can use the information in this program to get faster weight loss results than you have ever experienced before. 8. Targeted weight loss. This program is specifically designed to target belly fat, though it can also help with overall weight loss. Disadvantages. One of the minor disadvantages of this program is that it's only available in e-book format, so you must have access to the internet to purchase it. You can choose to print out the guide once you have purchased it. Following this program does require discipline and commitment, so it is not for those who are lazy. Who should buy the Flat Belly Fix? Those who have excess belly fat that they want to get rid of will find that this is an excellent program to follow. It is an especially good choice for people who are busy, as the exercises that are included in it don't take very long to do. Anyone who wants to start eating healthier but doesn't know where to start should also think about purchasing this guide. There is detailed information that will help you change your diet so you can start losing weight. Cost of the Flat Belly Fix. The Flat Belly Fix program costs $37 and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. You also have the option of purchasing the Kindle or EPUB versions for an additional $3 a piece. Those who want to get all formats of this guide will only have to pay $4. The overall cost of this program is very low, especially when you compare it to many others on the web. You get a lot of information for a fairly low price. Conclusion of the flat belly fix. Getting rid of belly fat can be particularly difficult because of how stubborn it tends to be, which is why it's important to find a definitive solution. The flat belly fix is an outstanding program for a number of reasons, but mostly because it is natural and detailed. There are step-by-step instructions for all of the weight loss exercises, so there's never any confusion. Those who are committed to losing their belly fat should at least look into this option because of everything it can offer. While it is true that there are many online weight loss guides you can buy, this one is truly something special. If you want to learn more about this program, then check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think.